So, welcome back to another Walmart beauty box unboxing. This is crazy to me since I had to fight so hard to get them to send me the last one, but now I ended up with two of it, and it's got different stuff in it. And then shortly thereafter was sent an email saying that the next beauty box they're skipping while they revamp the service into something better for us moving forward. I don't friggin' know, but since the Target beauty boxes were just canceled, hopefully the Walmart ones really step up their game because I haven't decided what subscription service to jump to next to fill in the gaps for the Target one that's still in the same price range. So, anyway, so in with this one, let's see, do we have a little card anywhere? No, not really. So, okay. First things first, we have this new Suave Professionals Curl Defining Cream for naturally curly and coily hair. Like, really though? Not to mention coconut, I cannot do, so I'm like, oh. Which, alright. That's cool. Anyway, looks like these are two of the same thing. Not sure why they sent two of it, but they sent two of it. Cool. So we've got that. We have another soft hello charcoal infused tapered bristle naturally friendly BPA free toothbrush. This is not the first one they have sent. I've gotten I think 2 or 3 others of these, but I mean we can always use toothbrushes, right? So I don't mind having spares of this, honestly. Say hello to maximum brushing happiness. This thoughtfully designed toothbrush features soft precision tapered bristles infused with charcoal from bamboo, and the super comfy handle is BPA free for extra friendliness. Your mouth says thank you. Black bristles, white teeth. So I haven't opened any of these yet since, honestly, I'm still using my own toothbrush, but when it wears out, I'll start using these and see if they're any good. But anywho, so there's that. These are kind of cool. I'm kind of excited to see how these do. These are by Salon Perfect, and they are the Design Nail Set. Contains 24 nails, a nail file, and professional nail glue. Look how pretty. They're like this gray and white marble with like gold streaks through it. Like, that's actually really gorgeous. I'm not sure how they'll fit on my nails particularly, but I'm still excited to see how exactly they will fit on. Let's see. 24 is kind of an odd number, but that's alright. You can always trim them down a little. But yeah, so this is what all you get in there. Your glue, your nail file, stacks of the nails. I'm like, if those are the only sizes of nails you get, I may be a host, but because that smallest one is like a mile too big for my pinkies, so I may have to go the route of using them as accent nails. We'll see. We'll see. Because I have little bitty baby fingers, but anyway, that's a whole other thing for a whole other day. Now to go with the toothbrush, we've got the Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste with natural peppermint with tea tree and coconut oil. Okay. No fluoride, artificial sweeteners, artificial flavors, dyes, SLS, sulfates, parabens, or triclosan. So, again, not the first of these I've gotten, but they're always useful, so I can't complain. Okay, this is a... what is this? Natural Vitality Calm Magnesium Supplement in raspberry lemon flavor with other natural flavors. But what is it? 1 second to a cup or mug. Huh. So I think it's a powder you mix into a drink and you stir in and it's supposed to make you calm. I mean, it's got magnesium as its active ingredient. And then its other ingredients are citric acid, organic natural lemon flavor, organic natural raspberry flavor with other natural flavors, organic stevia leaf extract. I mean, honestly, that doesn't sound scary, so I might actually try that one. And finally, I might actually be the most excited about this silly little thing, is the Biore Love Your Pores Rose Quartz and Charcoal Daily Purifying Cleanser. It deep cleans and radiates self-love. Great for oily skin, which I have. So I'm like, okay, I'm always on the lookout for a good cleanser, so I'm like, alright, yes, throw me all the cleansers, I will happily take them. So, anywho, that is about it that I got in this particular Walmart box. Still better than the other one that they sent me, but at the same time, I'm like, it's still pretty meh compared to other ones that I've gotten from them. I've had very mixed luck with the Walmart boxes. I've seen some people who've gotten purely amazing ones, though, and I'm like, what am I doing wrong? So I'm hoping with their revamp that they're gonna start doing better stuff in them, or maybe they'll start sending them out more frequently. I don't know, but regardless, still nice to have gotten an extra one, maybe for my trouble of how hard I had to fight to get the last one. I don't know, but anyways, that's it for this one, so you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and would like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.